Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to connectden. This is a site that is branded and allows you to create private groups to share information, chat with one another, and collaborate on projects. We're going to get started by looking at the member directory. This is a directory of those who are eligible to be part of your network. You can see that we have a variety of members in our customized branded group. And just take a look at the photo of the day down here. We have this on a rotating cycle, so it's going to change during the course of the demo. You can do all kinds of things with this photo capability, including adding photo albums of company and organizational events. We're going to get started by taking a look at my wall. And when you click on your own icon and avatar, it takes you directly to your activity page. So we could take a quick look at what I've been up to. And you can see posts that I've made, messages that I've sent out, documents that I've posted, things like that, as well as interactions that I've had with some other members of my group. And you can see that the avatar shows up with the person's name when you've communicated with them, which is a nice feature so you know who you're talking to. So let's move then to let's move to messages. Messages, it's exactly what it sounds like. There's an inbox and a sent messages, and with the inbox you can see messages that have come in from other people in your group. With the sent messages, you can see all the messages you've sent to other people, and it's a log for keeping track of all of these things and keeping tabs on what you've done and what you've communicated to people. So here you go, all of the messages sent. Then let's move to friends. These are people that I'm eligible to communicate with. I have 4 friends in my group, and if I want to communicate with someone who's in the member list but is not a friend, I would need to send them a friend request. So you can see my friends right here, and I can use this request button to send out friend requests. Groups we're going to go into in more detail later on in another video because it's too complicated. So we're going to move, not that it's too complicated, it's just very involved with its capabilities. We're going to show Buddy Drive, which is a way of sharing documents with your friends and with the groups that you belong to. You can see that the Buddy Drive is set up so that it's in alphabetical order, and it lists privacy settings, meaning who have you made eligible to see this document. The first one goes only to the green teams. The second one is public. The fourth one is a secure document. And so you can see that there's a lot of capability and different types of files that you can attach. And it also includes when it's been edited last. And I think this is an interesting feature. It's not just one document that you can share. You can share a folder so that you can see I have a whole host of documents that are available for people on the green team to take a look at. They can open them, save them. It's a way of sharing resources so that things can easily be managed in the group. And you can see in this little group information the purpose of the group, but we'll get more into that later on. So as we move back, I also want to share with you links. This is the ability to share online resources easily with your friends and with your group members. I have a few links posted here, and one of them is a diversity and inclusion link for the listing of the top companies that have won awards for diversity and inclusion. And you can see that we also have engaging employee information, a video link that we put out, and just some information on the human resource consulting services. So all kinds of links can be put here, and it's a great resource. If we click here on the diversity and business.com, you can see who's interacted with you on this. So it's been read by someone and voted on. There's also a spot for comments. So it's a great way of sharing information and getting feedback, and seeing how people are reacting to what you think is important for your team or group. And the last thing that I'm going to show you on my site is my articles. These are articles that have been published, and we are going to click on HR Computes joins Wharton for career and social impact and sustainability. This is an article that we actually posted to our blog, and we can share it here, and people can read about what happened at that event. And it's just a way of sharing what the company did and what the reaction and impact was of the students. So it's a way to build company information, team spirit, skill sets. It's a whole host of advantages to sharing this type of information. And just lastly, I wanted to point out again the photo of the day. As you can see that it has changed. Actually, not lastly, I wanted to show the chat function as well. Oops, if I could only type, that would be great. So I'm going to start chat, and I'm going to share with everyone. So we can see that we have John Smith on the chat as well. So we've added him in, and he can see that and can respond back to me with the normal chat capabilities. So that's a nice aspect. I can just say, are you going to make it? And you can see, here we go, it's listed there. So with that, I'm going to just type in here the contact information if you'd like to know more about what we do on this site, or if we can. Oh, it's not posting. Okay, let's try it again. Sorry. This is the email that you can reach me, and I can share with you how, well, it's not working. User error, I would say. Here we go. I'm getting a little technical assistance. Chris at hrcomputes.com is how you can reach us, and feel free to reach out to me and ask questions, talk about what your needs might be and how we might be able to help you. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.